I'm investigator Ann Ryman. An East Valley dental office now facing a second lawsuit after one of their dental assistants is accused of child sex crimes with 3 young patients. It's a story I've been tracking from the beginning.
CR 2024-122646, State versus Garcia.
Deion Garcia, a former dental assistant, pleading not guilty to 12 felony counts, including molestation, sexual conduct, and sexual exploitation. As his criminal case is scheduled for trial later this year, ABC 15 has learned there is now a second civil lawsuit against Garcia and his former employer.
And one of the most vulnerable people in our society is a child.
Tommy Richardson and Dan Marco represent one of the alleged victims.
The best way I can describe it is they felt horror.
The family's lawsuit alleges their child was at Kidiatric Dental in Chandler for a teeth cleaning last May.
Take your kids to the dentist. Didn't give it a second thought.
Police allege in court records the 6-year-old was in a room alone with Garcia for x-rays on her teeth when he allegedly pulled her shorts and underwear halfway down, touched her inappropriately, and then took photos of her with his phone. Her parents called police that same day.
Thankfully, they blew the lid off of it immediately.
That call led to Garcia's arrest. The new lawsuit claims Chandler police had investigated Garcia once before, in 2022, for a similar alleged incident with another child.
Why wasn't this stopped earlier?
Court records say police investigated in 2022, but closed the case because there wasn't enough evidence. The lawsuit alleges that the business owner, Dr. Walter Villanueva in Kidiatric, knew or should have known that Garcia's conduct in 2022 was criminal, and that they were negligent by allowing him to continue to be alone with children.
We just filed a complaint, so this is just starting the action.
In a statement, Kidiatric Dental and Dr. Villanueva said in part, Chandler Kidiatric received information from a parent in September 2022 about a concern about the dental assistant's actions when the assistant took x-rays of a child after the mother left the x-ray area. But Kidiatric says the parent and child, quote, did not report that the dental assistant had engaged in any sexual activity with the child during the dental visit. Chandler police investigated and interviewed employees, but according to the statement, did not disclose the mother or child's allegations to Chandler Kidiatric. The dental assistant remained employed until May 2024, when his employment was terminated. Garcia's attorney did not respond to ABC 15's request for comment. This lawsuit follows a separate lawsuit that was filed last year by the family of the alleged victim in the 2022 dental visit. That civil suit is also ongoing in Maricopa County Superior Court. As for the families, they are not ready to speak on camera, but they hope their lawsuits lead to better supervision of employees who deal with children.
And a part of this lawsuit is about that. It's about giving people the knowledge that they do have a way to fight back.
The Arizona Dental Board conducted its own investigation of the allegations. Kidiatric Dental continues to operate, but the board temporarily restricted Dr. Villanueva from personally treating patients under an agreement he signed. The doctor also agreed to have chaperones in his office for patients who are minors. We'll continue to follow this story. I'm investigator Ann Ryman, ABC 15, Arizona.